In this video, I'm going to show you how you can combine TikTok videos. So for that, all you need to do is click on the plus icon and then click on upload, which is right next to the record button. So right there you'll find upload. So you want to click on upload and then you can select multiple videos. Now what you need to do is simply select them and then select the other ones as well. So let's say that I want to use these 3 TikTok videos into one TikTok. I then select them and click on next. Now it's gonna load and it's gonna combine them. What you can do, you can click on adjust clips right there. And you can then change them if you want to, so you can play around with this, or you can simply click on done right there, then click on next at the top right corner, and then right here you can actually start customizing these videos. So what I just did, I combined 3 TikTok videos into one TikTok, and these are just random clips, so it doesn't really make sense. But if I just go back, if that's possible, yes, there you go, you'll see that you can actually trim all of these as well, so that they actually fit and so that it actually makes sense. But these are just random clips because I don't actually create TikTok videos. But if you do, you can combine these 3 clips into one TikTok, and that's how you can combine TikTok videos. So next up, you can actually click next, and then upload it on TikTok, and that's how you can combine videos on TikTok. Now if you enjoyed the video, please consider leaving a like, I would appreciate that. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section down below. And yeah, that's it, have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.